Today I'm going to be fixing the iPhone X. Just take out the two bottom screws. Remove the screen. So the volume buttons don't work on this, so I'm just going to have to open it up and disconnect the battery. There we go. Now we have to remove the heat shield. Remove the heat shield. Disconnect the battery. There we go. The screen. Remove the Face ID. Get our new screen. Bleed a little bit because we didn't wear gloves. Remove the waterproof seal. Connect the screen. All we need is the bottom screw and we're done.